Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are looking into AI help which comes with Elementor. So today we are transforming a basic hero section into a conversion focused section using Elementor AI. We are applying stronger copy, action CTAs, bold visuals. So when you click on this, whenever you add any widget or element, you will find this kind of help here. So how to use it, we are exploring that today. Now this feature comes with pro version only, and to start with, first you need Elementor free plugin version install. If on this website I have already installed, if you don't have, then you can easily search from WordPress plugin directory. So you can easily find this free version which you just install and make it activate. Now for a next step, you need to purchase Elementor Pro and download the zip file from your account. So on official website, you need to go to subscription and you will find that download zip option there. Now once you download, then you need to add that plugin. So I'm installing Pro version. I am activating plugin. Now after installation, you can either log into your Elementor account on official website. You can connect there and activate, or you can manually enter your license key. To enter that license key, you need to go to Elementor and license. Now Pro has been activated, so let's build our page, and for this exercise I'm choosing industry spots. Okay, so let's quickly build one hero section. Okay, so I have quickly put a few elements like image and heading, subheading, and one CTA. Now let's see how to use that feature on this. Okay, so to start with the main heading, so I am clicking on it, add it with AI, and here you will find few elements that you can write here prompt, and here you will find a language option, and you can also change you can also create a tone of your content. So let's see how to do it. So in main heading I am giving some input like rewrite this headline to sound more, let's say it's a sports website, so I want little bit energetic and kind of sports academy. So let's say I want motivational as well for a sports website. Okay, I have written my prompt, and let's say here I am changing, let's say motivational. So this is what it's given, and let's say I'm happy with this output, or you can try again. So here you can make it shorter, make it longer. Okay, so I'm using this text. Same with the subheading. Oh, okay. So I'm using advanced solo license, so it has a limitation on this. So that's why it is showing this. Else you get the idea how it works. Okay, for button, this CTA, I'm selecting this and I'm clicking on this icon. So let's write. Give me three short action driven CTAs. For more clarity, I'm adding that for sports academy website, and let's generate. Okay, so it says train hard, play harder, excel now. So I'm selecting this excel now is fine. I'm making it shorter, play harder and excel now. Now, as you can see, as per my prompt, conversion focused section is getting ready. Now let's see how AI helping with image element. So I'm selecting the image or with background also this feature comes. So I'm selecting on add it with AI. Now here you will find uh, image related options. So you can also apply that editing here, and I'm generating with a prompt. So here it is asking image type. So I'm keeping photographic. Here you can add a style of the image. So I'm happy with the current one. So choosing the same one that I want portrait. Size, let's put it 9x16. Okay, let's add some proper prompt. So high energy with athletes running on track. Okay, so I am writing this prompt. High energy sports training scene with athletes running on track, and I want style realistic and lighting sunset one. So let's see what it comes with. Okay, so I think I'm good with this. Okay, so we have also improved our image. With background, you can also try out. So let's see. With this container, I'm choosing here background image. Here I'm clicking on create with AI. So I'm just writing I create black background for sports website. Style, let's say neon, and aspect aspect ratio I'm keeping landscape. Let's see. Okay, I don't want athlete. Okay. So obviously this is not suitable to our style, but this is for demo purpose that we can also create. I mean, AI help is also available for background image as well. So, so you can try this edit with AI feature on. You can also try it with accessibility, custom CSS. Depends on your license, you will be provided credits to use this. So let me tidy up. So this feature definitely gives you a quick start with the website, but it relies on a proper prompt and your vision that your what you want to achieve, and as per prompt it is working, so your clarity regarding your industry website is more important. So let me tidy up this. So we have applied few style here and there, and this is our final output. So with AI, definitely you can have a quick start, but it requires a proper prompt. So if you have clarity about your industry and what you want to achieve, then it will be more faster. So this is it for today. if you have a licensed version, then you can try this AI feature with accessibility, custom CSS, and many more. Depends on your license, you will be provided credits from the website. So you can try out. If you are trying this, then feel free to comment your sample as well. And if you find this helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.